Alright, so here's our little USRP fitted with the 52 megahertz clock, which isn't focusing. Fantastic. Anyways, got this thing hooked up to a little oscilloscope here, and we're trying to see just how accurate this prototype is. As you can see in the bottom left hand corner of the oscilloscope screen, we are sitting at well, it's hovering at 52, but it seems to be jumping quite a bit, unfortunately. Just turned on the actual voltage and period as well here, and even the voltage itself, it jumps around from 5.69 to about 5.8. So we're just going to let this run maybe for about another hour or so and then come back to this.
Okay, so we have this hooked up once again to the clock out and the ground. This time it's going into the connectors, and those connectors are going into a frequency counter, which is showing us 52 megahertz, sometimes dropping down a couple hertz, but that's extremely non-problematic. So it seems that the actual clocking frequency we're getting out is right in the range that we're looking for. So we're going to have to investigate some other problems that are going on with the transmission and why it's not working with the 52 megahertz.
You have like yeah, you have it.
Okay, so I'm here with Tao, and he's been working on the 52 megahertz clock, and you can see right now it's running. We have it set to be broadcasting at 945.2 megahertz, which that's 51, right? That's is it channels?
Yeah,
it's channel 51 that we're going to be using, and as you can see here, we have a bump in the spectrum analyzer. That's the signal, and that's centered around 910 megahertz. There's about a 35 megahertz offset from what we set on the OpenBTS on the USRP, not the OpenBTS. And what we set on the USRP to transmit on this one. This does not appear on the 64 megahertz one. That one broadcasts on the proper channel and is received as such. Just to prove that it's like that, we'll turn this off. And when I turn this off, you'll see the spike go down. And it's gone. The spike's gone. It stopped broadcasting. And we can start broadcasting again. And there's the spike popping up right there. So we know that it's broadcasting there from the USRP. And we're going to have to figure out what the issue is with the USRP or the software. It could be hardware or software, but we're going to have to figure out which it is before we can get this working properly.